Hey guys, it's David from Trail Adventures USA, and I'm with Crystal, and Blake's behind the camera. We're here at the start of Bee Canyon Trail. We're gonna follow this up to San Jacinto Ridge Trail. There's a river over there, we hear, a stream or a creek.
So,
are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
So follow along, this should be exciting. It's gonna be a great day on the trail with Trail Adventures USA. Follow along guys, let's go.
Bee Canyon is a natural area that provides an awesome backstop for target shooting. Not much of the history of the Canyon Trail is known. However, there are numerous beekeepers in the area. These large colonies of bees are used to cross-pollinate fruit trees such as orange and avocado in the local area. They are also prized for their unique honey. Bee Canyon Trail is located off Highway 74 east of Hemet on Forest Road 5S07. The trail can be rough at times, and high clearance vehicles are recommended. Four-wheel drive is necessary when climbing to higher elevations where snow and ice may be encountered during the winter months. The Canyon Trail is a day use area only, from sunup to sundown, and target shooting hours vary based on fire danger and activity levels in the area. Contact the Idlewild Ranger for more information and conditions. The Cahuilla Indians were the first tribe to call San Jacinto Mountain Range home. They called their mountain home Smooth Cliffs for the rock formations. The Cahuilla lived in small groups, much smaller than some other local tribes. When the California Senate refused to ratify an 1852 treaty granting the Cahuilla Indians control of their land, some tribal leaders resorted to attacks on approaching settlers and soldiers. Many lives were lost during this troubling time. In 1878, a Wheeler survey led by rancher Charles Thomas of Gardner Valley set out to officially map the area. Once they reached the summit, the Wheeler survey party gave the mountain the name San Jacinto Peak. The earliest recorded climb to the peak was 4 years earlier, in September 1874. In 1931 and 1932, the San Jacinto Mountain Chamber of Commerce sponsored a Labor Day foot race from Idlewild to San Jacinto Peak and back, a distance of 18 miles and an elevation gain of 5,300 feet. The race was won by Thomas Humphreys. Humphreys won the race again in 1932 with an elapsed time of 3 hours and 12 minutes. Near the summit of San Jacinto Peak, a stone hut was built in 1935 by the Civilian Conservation Corps. The hut still stands to this day and serves as a shelter for mountain climbers seeking adventure.
Hey guys, so we're about halfway through. We're here on San Jacinto Truck Trail. We just passed the river crossing and we took on some trail damage. I mean, you guys know how these plastic fenders are. They're garbage. So what happened was there was a pretty large washout on the bottom side of a little of a hill. So with the Colorado ZR2 nose in the air, you can't see what's on the other side, and we took a really hard hit to the passenger front fender and we lost the fender flare. So we're gonna continue on. I want you guys to follow along and enjoy as we continue on another trail adventure.
When researching this area, we found numerous publications reporting missing hikers who succumbed to the elements on their way to San Jacinto Peak. Every individual should be prepared and exercise caution when exploring this beautiful mountain range.
San Jacinto Ridge Trail, and I'm here with Clarence. We met Clarence down at the entrance to B Canyon Trail, and he's got his 2018 Nissan Frontier four-wheel drive, and he just went the whole way with us, and we had almost every condition today. We had the dry soil, we had the wet soil, we had snow and ice, even some mud on some hills, some pretty deep ruts, and I'll tell you what, he was right behind the ZR2 the whole way, had a great time, right?
Yes, I did.
Now he's
first trip ever.
Yeah, Clarence is kind of new, right, to off-roading, and so it's always great to meet people on the trail like this who have the same enthusiasm that you do for something, especially in this community. He's also a hunting guy who likes to hunt and fish, so a man after my own heart, likes to go shooting too and stuff like that. So, man, hopefully we'll be able to connect and do some more and go do some fishing up in Big Bear.
Hope so.
Yeah. Well, tell us a little bit about your truck. So how long have you had it?
I just bought it 4 months ago. It's a Nissan Frontier four-wheel drive. First trip ever, so I don't know a lot about it. I'm just getting used to it.
Is that right?
Yeah. So far, I like it.
I'll tell you what, we have our friends from Trail Chasers. Matt, if you're out there, here's another Nissan guy out here having a good time enjoying this great country of ours and doing some great off-roading. So you can find us on Instagram if you're interested in connecting with us that way at trailadventures_, and on YouTube at Trail Adventures USA. And we hope to be able to go out and do some more wheeling with you. Absolutely, been a pleasure and an honor. Thanks guys for watching, and stay tuned for more episodes coming up. We're going to keep doing this and keep having more fun.
Please like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments if you plan on making this one of your trail adventures. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to get through the whole thing. Okay. B Canyon. Okay. San Jacinto Ridge. It's the location for the original Chawia. San Jacinto Ridge. Okay. San Jacinto Ridge. Wait. San Jacinto Ridge. It was the home for the Chawia. How did they say it?
Chawia.
Chawia? Pull it up.
Chawia.
Pause it. We gotta get it right. Ridge Trail was
Chawia.
Kawia Indians.